Gratitude and manifestation are two powerful concepts that have gained significant attention in recent years. These ideas, deeply rooted in psychology and philosophy, suggest that our thoughts and feelings have a profound impact on our reality. The power of appreciation, in particular, is a key component in harnessing these concepts to improve our lives. Gratitude is a transformative practice that amplifies the manifestation process by fostering a positive mindset and alignment with abundance. It involves consciously acknowledging and appreciating the blessings, experiences, and relationships in one's life, regardless of their scale or significance. By cultivating gratitude, individuals shift their focus from perceived deficiencies to abundance and possibilities. This mindset of abundance enhances emotional well-being, resilience, and optimism, creating an energetic resonance that attracts more positive experiences and opportunities into one's life. Practicing gratitude involves regular reflection on what one is grateful for, whether through journaling, verbal affirmations, or silent contemplation. This intentional focus on blessings and achievements reinforces positive emotions and strengthens the belief in the abundance of possibilities for manifestation. Moreover, gratitude enhances the quality of relationships and social connections. Expressing appreciation towards others fosters goodwill, strengthens bonds, and cultivates a supportive network that enhances personal growth and collective success. In the manifestation process, gratitude serves as a catalyst for amplifying the impact of affirmations and visualization techniques. When coupled with heartfelt appreciation, affirmations become more potent in reshaping subconscious beliefs and aligning thoughts with desired outcomes. Scientific research supports the benefits of gratitude on mental and emotional well-being, highlighting its role in reducing stress, improving sleep quality, and enhancing overall happiness. These physiological and psychological benefits create a fertile ground for manifestation by promoting a harmonious inner state conducive to attracting positive experiences. As individuals integrate gratitude into their daily lives, they not only elevate their personal well-being, but also contribute to a positive ripple effect in their environment. By embodying gratitude as a core value, individuals inspire and uplift others, creating a collective atmosphere of positivity and abundance that supports mutual growth and manifestation of shared aspirations. In essence, gratitude is more than a fleeting emotion. It is a transformative practice that empowers individuals to cultivate a mindset of abundance, appreciation, and alignment with their highest aspirations. By embracing gratitude as a foundational principle in manifestation, individuals harness its profound power to attract and create meaningful, fulfilling experiences that enrich their lives and contribute positively to the world around them. Gratitude is the act of recognizing and appreciating the good things in our lives. It's about being thankful for what we have, rather than focusing on what we lack. This simple shift in perspective can have a profound effect on our mental and emotional well-being. Numerous studies have shown that practicing gratitude regularly can lead to increased happiness, reduced stress, and even improved physical health. When we focus on the positives, we train our brains to see more of them, creating a cycle of positivity and contentment. Manifestation, on the other hand, is the process of bringing something into our reality through our thoughts, feelings, and beliefs. It's based on the idea that our thoughts have energy and can influence the world around us. The law of attraction, a popular concept within the manifestation community, suggests that like attracts like. Therefore, if we focus on positive thoughts and feelings, we will attract positive experiences and outcomes into our lives. The connection between gratitude and manifestation lies in the power of appreciation. When we are grateful, we are focusing on the good things in our lives. This positive focus generates positive energy, which, according to the principles of manifestation, attracts more good things into our lives. In other words, by practicing gratitude, we are not only improving our current state of mind, but we are also setting the stage for future positive experiences. One way to harness the power of gratitude and manifestation is through the practice of daily affirmations. Affirmations are positive statements that we repeat to ourselves to reinforce our beliefs and intentions. By incorporating gratitude into our affirmations, we can amplify their effectiveness. For example, instead of simply stating, "I am successful," we can say, "I am grateful for my success and the opportunities it brings." This not only reinforces our belief in our success, but also generates positive energy through the act of gratitude. Another powerful practice is maintaining a gratitude journal. This involves regularly writing down things we are thankful for. By doing this, we train our minds to focus on the positives and develop a habit of gratitude. Over time, this can lead to a more positive outlook on life and a greater sense of well-being. Furthermore, by regularly reflecting on what we are grateful for, we reinforce our positive thoughts and feelings, which can enhance our ability to manifest our desires. Visualization is another technique that combines gratitude and manifestation. Visualization involves imagining our desired outcomes as if they are already happening. By incorporating gratitude into this practice, we can increase its effectiveness. For instance, while visualizing our dream job, we can also express gratitude for it, as if we already have it. This creates a powerful combination of positive visualization and gratitude, which can help attract our desired outcomes into our reality. Gratitude and manifestation also play a significant role in our relationships. When we express gratitude for the people in our lives, we strengthen our connections with them. This positive energy can lead to more harmonious and fulfilling relationships. Moreover, by focusing on the positive aspects of our relationships, we can attract more positive interactions and experiences with others. This not only enhances our personal lives, but also creates a ripple effect, spreading positivity and appreciation to those around us. The power of appreciation extends beyond our personal lives and can have a broader impact on our communities and society as a whole. When we practice gratitude, we are more likely to engage in pro-social behaviors, such as helping others and contributing to our communities. This can create a positive feedback loop where acts of kindness and appreciation inspire others to do the same, leading to a more compassionate and connected society. In conclusion, gratitude and manifestation are interconnected concepts that have the power to transform our lives. By practicing gratitude, we generate positive energy that can attract more good things into our reality. Through techniques such as daily affirmations, gratitude journals, and visualization, we can harness the power of appreciation to improve our mental and emotional well-being, strengthen our relationships, and create a more positive and fulfilling life. The simple act of being thankful for what we have can set the stage for future abundance and happiness. Like this video, subscribe for more content, and share this message with someone who needs to hear it. See you next time.